Hi, I'm Jesper Søgaard. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Better Collective. We're a sports betting media group developing platforms and communities for sports fans across the world. And I'm here today to present our Q2 report, which is a highly unusual quarter due to the COVID-19 that has impacted all of us. Well, first I want to show my appreciation and gratitude to all the employees of Better Collective. This has really been unusual and we've had and needed everybody to step up. The same goes for the management team, our board of directors and all the business partners we have out there that in these really unusual times, it's been astonishing to see sort of the dedication and support that Better Collective have experienced. So in essence, a very strong team spirit in the company, which I'm highly appreciative of. And then moving into to the performance, it has obviously been a challenging quarter due to the complete halt of sports which we experienced. But having said that, we came out with a decline of 4% in our total revenue, which we find satisfactory and in line with the update that we gave to the market in March. On the earnings side, it was a decline of 7%, but still with a margin above 40%, and actually earnings margin of 41%, which I find to be a great accomplishment and the result of us implementing a cost reduction program by 1st of April. Well, our numbers now support that we are coming back in fairly good fashion. We could see that April was the low point of the business. May also significantly affected with almost no sports, but then we had the German Bundesliga as the first major league to restart. And then June seeing quite a lot of European football picking up again and thereby increasing activity. On the activity levels, we saw fairly high levels in June and a high level in July in Europe, with July being the second highest activity month in terms of sports wagering in the revenue share accounts that we monitor. However, that mainly goes for the European football, whereas we have seen the US sports being weak and same goes for other regions globally. So all in all, it's picking up again, but still room for improvement. And then the last point is on the lost momentum that we have experienced with deposits during the lockdown. It's also affecting the business, but it's encouraging to see that July we saw 25% growth in the NDC figure compared to last year. Well, with the lack of regular sports, we saw players turning more to casino games and other minor sports. And then in particular, esports has grown a lot, been a big focus for Q2. And obviously with the acquisition of HLTV that we did in Q1, it has supported our business well. And then lastly, on the regulatory front in the US, we have now gained a license in 8 states, so we make quite a lot of progress there and can now do business in more states than previously. There's no doubt that due to the COVID-19 situation, there's increased uncertainty about the future of our business as well. And on the revenue side, it's affected by the fact that we've seen in Europe the start of leagues has been delayed. We have other regions of the world where sport is still being cancelled. So it all creates uncertainty. But still, as elaborated in our Q2 report, reiterate our financial targets. And then we're just really looking forward to 2021, where we will see increased activity in sports with the Euro 2021 and other big events hopefully happening in 2021. And not the least to have spectators in the stadium again. Yes, we continue to have a strong M&A pipeline in Better Collective and see ourselves as a natural consolidator in this industry. And quite recently, we signed an LOI with a strong lead generator of online gambling customers And if we're successful with this LOI and it turns into closing depending contract negotiations and due diligence, it will be a big and important strategic move for Better Collective. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you're interested in learning more about Better Collective and our Q2 performance, you can find more information at our website.